Brookvale Media.
Did you know that Charles Elton created the food chain concept? Hi everyone, my name is Surabhi and today I'm going to talk about the food chain. What is it anyway? The food chain is the cycle of organisms that produce, consume and decompose food. For example, a food chain can contain first decomposed organisms like fungi, then producers as in plants, and consumers like animals, some who eat plants, herbivores, some who eat animals, carnivores, and some who eat both, omnivores. Here are some more facts about food chains. Did you know that many food chains can intersect and link together to create food webs? Also, animals and humans that are herbivores and vegetarian are considered primary consumers. Carnivores that eat herbivores are called secondary consumers. Carnivores that eat carnivores are called tertiary consumers. And carnivores that eat tertiary consumers are called quaternary consumers. Lastly, there are 4 types of food chains: detritus, aquatic, grassland, and forest. Thanks for watching and make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Hello everyone, welcome to Brookvale Media. My name is Surabhi and today I will be teaching you about how to make a Caprese sandwich. They are suitable for a quick after-school meal or for an extremely delicious and healthy lunch or dinner. Let's now dive into the ingredients. You will need olive oil, 16 basil leaves, mozzarella cheese, balls are sliced, 16 arugula leaves, 8 sourdough bread slices, pepper, salt, and 2 tomatoes. Now that you've got the ingredients, let's get started on the recipe. Serves 4. Step 1. Wash arugula, basil, and tomatoes and set aside. Then slice tomatoes and mozzarella, if not already sliced. Step 2. Then take out 2 slices of bread and fill it in this order from bottom to top. Bread, basil, tomatoes, cheese, arugula, dressing with olive oil, salt and pepper, and finally bread. Step 3. On sandwich grill, place sandwiches 2 at a time and close lid. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes or to your taste preference. Repeat this step for another time for serving 4 people 1 sandwich. Or you can serve it warm without grilling it and warm it in the microwave as needed. Serve, eat and enjoy. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
If you like the idea of being in your cozy pajamas all day, then you will definitely love National Pajama Day. Hello, my name is Viraj Gupta, and today Brookvale Media will speak about National Pajama Day. National Pajama Day is a day to observe every year on April 6th. National Pajama Day is celebrated globally, but mainly in the United States, Australia, and parts of Europe. National Pajama Day originated from National Wear Your Pajamas to Work Day. In 2004, National Wear Your Pajamas to Work Day was created to take up a day of relaxation and comfort by wearing pajamas to work. Over time, National Wear Your Pajamas to Work Day transitioned into National Pajama Day because the public realized that kids should have this day of observance too, not just parents that go to work. Now, National Pajama Day is a day to stay comfortable by relaxing in pajamas or any sort of comfortable clothing. Now, we've talked about the history of National Pajama Day, but let's get to the fun part. How can we celebrate this day of observance? National Pajama Day is celebrated in a variety of ways. To name just a few, you can have a cozy sleepover with some of your friends. You can also have a family movie night and just relax with some hot and buttery popcorn. There are many ways to celebrate National Pajama Day, but the most important thing is to relax and get some rest on this amazing day of observance. Thanks for watching.
Who would not like a freshly baked warm cake to lighten their day up with a bit of chocolate flavor? Hi everyone, my name is Surabhi and welcome to Brookvale Media. Today I'll be teaching you about how to make. You will need 2 cups of white sugar, 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cups of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 large eggs, 1 cup milk, ½ cup vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 cup boiling water. Now that you have these ingredients, you can get started on the recipe. Step 1. Gather all your ingredients. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 175 degrees Celsius, and grease your 2 9-inch round baking pans and spread flour over them. If you want to bake a sheet cake, lay a piece of parchment paper over a half sheet pan and then spray cooking spray over that. Then set your pans aside and whisk together the cocoa, sugar, baking powder and soda, salt and flour in a large bowl, and after add in the eggs, vanilla, milk and oil. Then with a mixer, turn it on to medium speed and let it mix up the mixture in 2 minutes. Then stir the boiling water with the mixture manually, and when you do, the batter should be thin. After that's done, pour in the batter into the 2 baking pans. Then place it in the oven and let it bake for 30 to 35 minutes. If you're baking a sheet cake, bake for 15 minutes. Then, to determine the readiness of the cake, poke a toothpick into it and then remove it. If the toothpick is dry, then it is ready for the next step. If it's wet, then put it back into the oven before the heat distributes and disperses. Now, in the same pans, cool the cakes for 10 minutes by placing it outside your oven. Then, place the cake on a wire rack to cool completely for 1 to 2 hours. After that, you can put any toppings or any sort of decoration on your cake. Serve, eat, and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.